guys, I'm back and with a new video, and today I am just going to make weird noises. And then a door. Well, closing it anyway. Now a car door. Okay. I guess I could do a little baby noise. Okay. Comment if you want any more